Tactical UAS are vital to the mission, but current deployment methods are extremely challenging. Drone autonomy is therefore the key to unleashing the full potential of UAS technology for the warfighter. Introducing the revolutionary Strix 1200, the ultimate drone deployment and control center. The military-grade build tackles any environment. Within 15-second drone deployment, Strix 1200 works seamlessly with all drone types, offering cyber-secure remote control, even from your vehicle. Witness pinpoint accuracy with precision landing technology, all facilitated by the Strix 1200's transparent design. Unleash uninterrupted communication with flawless GPS, RF, and 5G signals. Universal charging, and your drone remains secure within the robust capsule. Adaptable to a single unit or create a multi-system drone hive, ideal for both observation and attack missions. Strix 1200, the future of drone deployment and control is here.